Have you ever thought about what Breckenridge would be like without water? It's almost impossible to imagine. Water is the life source of our community, from our restaurants and businesses to our recreation opportunities and even fire protection. As a Headwaters community, water is not only important for the health of Breckenridge, but for every other community we supply with water. Many of us take water for granted every day. Imagine a Day Without Water is an annual day to raise awareness and educate America about the value of water. To understand just how important water is in Breckenridge, we asked a few locals what water means to them.
Personally, it's important because I ski on it every winter, I raft in it every summer, I drink it every day, I fill my baby's bottles with it. It's essential to life here in Breckenridge.
Yeah, so water is important to me personally because I have 2 dogs, and one is a golden retriever and she loves the water. So I love hiking around the water, I love floating on the water with my friends, having a couple of beers. None of that would be possible without water.
Water is important to the Crown in basically every step of our operation, from brewing the coffee that you're going to be drinking to washing the mug that you're going to be drinking the coffee out of.
Yeah, so Breckenridge Grand Vacations really cares about the community. I mean, this is our livelihood, this is where we live and play. Water is super important to us. We love to play on the water. We love people to have a great guest experience by being able to play in the water. And without water, there would be no snow either. And so without snow, there's no skiing, no snowboarding. We're really invested in the future of Breckenridge, and we believe in it. We believe in the community, and we just want to provide that for years to come.
Do you want to learn how you can help conserve water? Visit breckenridge.watersmart.com. This free service is part of the Town of Breckenridge's commitment to provide you with the best tools to manage your water use and your bill. WaterSmart helps you break down your water usage to see where and when you are using the most water. Join the Town of Breckenridge in conserving water by signing up for WaterSmart today. Join the Town of Breckenridge in Imagine a Day Without Water by sharing what water means to you on social media and use the hashtag WaterSmartBreck. Together in Breckenridge, we can make sure that water is always in supply.